Oh, oh no. Oh no. What the heck is going on? One more. Anything? Oh boy, I think I can see them. I think I know. I think I can see the school. I saw two, three. Okay, I think I can see them. Oh boy, look at that. I can see a lot of ripples over there. Man, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get there though. Let's see if there's anybody here. Oh yeah, I can see them. Oh boy, I cannot cut from here. Okay, so maybe from here. Yeah, I can learn the feet from here. Should not be a problem. Let's see. Okay, that was a hit. Okay, that was another hit. Okay. I'm too close already. Yeah, can you see the over there? Oh boy, they're there. Come on. Okay, pretty much have to follow them. Now they're moving over here. Oh boy. Come on. Instead of changing my, actually this, no, I'm gonna use now a smaller hook. I gotta hurry up because they're in front of me. And let's see, what should I use? This is small one. Maybe I'll give this a shot. Let's see, is that? They're right here. Yeah, way too. Let's see. Let's see. He's barely hooked. Oh. Okay, he's off. You know, I'm gonna show you how small these guys are. They're very tiny. That's why they cannot bite. I had to change the jig. I'm gonna free this guy. Let's free this guy. Oh, you know, they're right here. They're still right here. They're still right here. Okay, this is what happened. They're circling around, and they're circling around. I think they're eating something. Yeah, they just move out. Okay, anytime now they're gonna come again close by me. That's when I'm gonna make my cast. They're actually not too far away, but I had to change to a smaller jig, so I don't have much reach. But there, I can see them there. Yeah, it's amazing. I mean, I've seen this before, but they get very active at some points. Oh man, they're there and there. No one in front of me yet, but they're gonna come at some point. They're gonna come at some point. Just too far away. Just too far away. Yeah, listen, I have to wait. I have to wait. I don't know where they are. Now the boats, the guys that are in the inflatables, they have realized the fish is moving around here, so they're casting here now. Yeah, that's the best. That's what you have to do. You have to follow the ripples. You know, it's a sunny day, man. I hope the footage doesn't look too dark. I just cannot reach. I mean, yeah, they're getting bites. Okay, maybe I can reach that one. Let's see. Let's see if I can reach that one. Come on, fishy, fishy. Come on, fishy, fishy. Fly fishing just got one over there. Yeah, they're right there. Oh man, I'm so jealous. I'm so jealous. I'm just waiting for the school of fish to pass by. I mean, I can tie a bombarda float, but I don't know. I don't have hooks that small for the bombarda float. Yeah, maybe I can. I'm trying to get. I think I can get away with 2 split shots in there. It's not as effective, but right now what I need more than anything else is just reaching distance, casting distance. So maybe I'll get away with it. I don't know. Maybe I can cast from here. Oh boy, this is not gonna be good. No, I won't be able to cast here unless I do something like this. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. Okay, they're just here. They're just here. Oh no! No! I got hung up. I got hung up in that branch. Oh boy. Oh boy. This is not good. This is not good. This is not good. Oh. Okay. Okay, they're still right here. They're still right here. Oh, man, that was a bite. That was a bite. I think I had it for a minute. You know, this rod, I don't like it. I'll be honest, this rod, I don't like it. It's small, it's practical, but I just don't have the same hook sets. I don't like it. I don't feel the bites that much, and I feel it whenever I feel it, it's just too late for me to get a proper hook. Keep casting just a few more. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna stay. Okay, see, that was a bite. That was another bite. Okay, that's because. Okay. Yeah. Okay, see, this one is a little. I think some of them are. Okay, he's off. I think some of them are just way too small. Way too small. They're still here. And this is. It's not the smallest jig, but I mean, I just don't want to go smaller than this. They're right here. They're still right here. Let's see.
Any response today?
Yeah.
Did you catch?
Yeah, a couple, but on that side.
On the other side there?
Yeah. Here, no?
No response. Yes, they don't work, but I would have the call. I couldn't respond faster. By the time I go.
Oh, no, you should try over there. That's where the school of fish are.
Oh.
On that side.
This hangar, like, I had these also here before, too. They kind of go in a circle, seems like.
Oh, yeah.
It's a luck of the job. They like it, they don't. Watch out. Watch out for the hook.
No, but I'll tell you.
Mm-hmm.
Well, right now they're spraying around, but half an hour ago,
Yeah, they were mingling over there.
a lot of fish over there, probably.
The other side.
I don't know if they stock it today again.
Well, no, they wouldn't stock it. No, they
No?
stocked it last week.
Because they were so close, so many together. That sometimes that's when they stock, right? That happens when they stock it for the
They
first.
killed it last week, I heard, right?
Yeah. Okay. And, yeah. That's the thing with this lake. That's why I have a love and hate relationship with this lake, because there's no well-known holes, you know. Make no mistake about it. If you see a ripple somewhere, I mean that's where you have to go. You know, it's not often that I find it like that, where I know pretty much exactly where they are. So I'm gonna change the rod. I'm gonna change the camera to, I don't know, I think this camera looks, this is an older version of the GoPro, but somehow it has the same settings, but even from here I can see the colors way better. So I really don't want to make this video too long, but I'm gonna change the rod, and I'm gonna try I'm gonna take my time. I'm gonna tie a bombarda float. I'm gonna give it a shot. Hopefully. Okay, this is what I'm doing. I messed up my line, you know, the leader is curly. So you want the leader straight up. You don't want it curly like the one that I have it right now. And this is the bombarda float. A lot of you know what this is about. But you know, right now I'm not gonna go into too much explanation about the bombarda. I think I'll make the video too long if I do that. So with this, just look at the difference of casting distance. Oh wait. I'm getting bites, but let's see what happens. I'm missing them. Okay, see, that was a bite. Sometimes I just have to look at the line, because the bites are another one. The bites are being so late that the line will see it first before you can even feel it. And of course, I don't want to do a pretty hard hook set, because there's people crossing behind me all the time. But yeah, so, and what I tied is just a piece of rubber. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a black piece of rubber. Let me see. Yeah. Hopefully you can see. You know, I don't know. The lighting. Well, I'm gonna know when I see the footage and later on, right? Let's see.
Oh, there's a lot of surfacing fish over there.
Yeah.
You're in the wrong spot.
I was, yeah, exactly.
I was like, what is that? Like, those are fish. That's a good spot.
Yes, there are a lot of fish there.
Yeah.
It's just I have all these branches here. I cannot. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Oh, it's so different compared to the salmon.
Oh, I told you. Is this a light rod? Oh, this is your salmon rod.
This is my salmon rod. Yeah, this is my salmon rod. He's gonna put me in trouble. Yeah, he's off. He's off. Well.
My partner wants to go, but it's good to meet you.
Hey, mate, day done. See you around. Sure, yeah.
I will comment now.
Okay, sure.
Have a good day.
Yeah, there was a bite right here. Oh, sometimes I hit it right. Let's see. Come on, give me one more. Oh, see the bite? I don't know, you can see the bite, but there. Oh my god. How come I'm still so tight with this? Come on. Yeah, no. Let's do another cast right away. Honestly, this is so embarrassing because I had all the fish in front of me, man. I had all the fish in front of me. I couldn't catch anything. I mean, I couldn't land. Only landed one. There's some people there. Come on, this is my chance. I met someone. Hey, Dan. Shout out to you. Oops. Let's see. Oh, come on, man, and this is just not good. Come on. There it is. Oh. Why am I pulling drag on every hook set? I wanna land one more. I mean, come on, so much fishing here, and I only landed one. Okay, this is where the bite is gonna happen. I have a lot of slack though. I won't be able to have a strong hook set. But this is where the fish. Okay, one bite, two bites. Come on. Give me one more stronger one. Come on. Oh. One more. Yeah. I had like so many bites, man. So many bites. Of course.
Ah, you lost him.
Of course. Oh yeah, I lost it. I had so many bites. I knew it.
Got another one?
Hey, yeah, there's one.
You get it all?
One fish.
Come on, baby. Oh, it's like the
Yeah. Come here.
Okay.
There
That's
you
okay.
go. Good
Way
one.
to go.
Yeah, thank you. Tiny fish, tiny fish. You know, I'm gonna do it really quick. Quick release. A little jump, maybe it's necessary. Whoosh, a little jump, yeah. No problemo. Okay.
Do you use silicone
Hey.
or flies?
Silicone.
Silicone, I got you.
Yeah. Anything is working right now. All you have to do is just cast in front of them. Even this thing, I mean, yeah. Okay. They're close. Okay, they're gonna bite now. They are gonna bite now. Yeah. No, no. Oh, oh no. Oh no. What the heck is going on? One more. Okay, they are right in front of me. Look at that, they just came by. They just came by. Look at that. 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 Check this out. Check this out. Right. They are right there. Oh. One more time. I'll finish with this. I'll finish with this. They're right there. All right. Okay, guys. I don't know if I can harvest this fish. I usually do fish and chips, you know, but man, they're tiny. Okay. You just have to cast in front of them, you know.
But now in a spot.
I'm leaving in 2 minutes, man. This is my last cast. Yeah, there we go. You know, this one is a little bit better. What the heck? No! I was gonna take this.
You already got the limit?
Bro. No, it went away. But yeah, no, I'm done.
Can I see your?
It's very tiny.
Oh yeah. I
Yeah.
like that.
But very tiny.
I sure understand.
Look, see?
Yeah.
They're right here. They're cruising. Cut from here.
Thank you.
Sure, man. I think there's a lot of kids. I think there's a, you know, Fish BC has a kids program, Learn to Fish. I think that's how it's called. And I think that's what's going on right now, because I've seen in the last minutes, I've seen a bunch of kids. See? Oh yeah. Look at that, eh? Huh. Man, look at that, all the fish in here. Yeah. That's what is going on today. Okay. That makes sense. I wouldn't be surprised if they stock some more today. I would not be surprised. I'm good guys. So that was it. That's Como Lake. Light jiggings and bombarda float. I timed the jig, but now a lot of people fishing, so I'm just gonna go.